In today's video, I'm going to teach you WordPress Pattern Library. Here's how to use it to create beautiful posts WordPress tutorial. The Pattern Library in WordPress gives you ready-made, professionally designed block layouts you can mix and match to build pages and posts faster. Think of patterns as design building blocks: headers, feature sections, galleries, calls to action, and more. You can drag them onto your canvas, then customize the text, images, and colors to match your brand. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and heading into the site editor. From there, open your home template so you're working on a familiar canvas. On the left sidebar, look for Patterns. Click it to open the library. If you don't see what you need right away, switch the filter to All so the full collection is visible. Now, drag and drop a pattern from the library directly onto your canvas. You'll see a highlight when your cursor is in a valid spot. Release to place it. Once it's on the page, click the highlighted areas to select specific blocks. This makes it easy to replace placeholder text, swap images, and adjust spacing without rebuilding anything from scratch. Next, explore the different categories to understand what's available. Click into 404 Template to see layouts for error pages that keep visitors engaged. Open About to find bio and mission sections that tell your story clearly. Check Archive Template for clean lists of posts and categories. Browse blog posts for dynamic post grids and featured articles. Visit Contact for forms and contact info blocks. Review events for schedules and event highlights. And look at Featured for hero sections and eye-catching promotional banners. Clicking through these gives you a feel for how each pattern solves a specific design need. When you're ready to see everything in one place, choose Explore All Patterns. This opens a broader gallery where you can preview variations and pick the style that best fits your content. As you add more pieces, use the highlighted selection outlines to fine-tune alignment, change typography in the Settings panel, and reorder blocks if needed. Small tweaks here make a big difference in polish. When your layout looks good, click Save. WordPress will confirm what's being updated so you know exactly what's changing. Finally, click Launch to make your changes live. Give your page a quick refresh to double-check everything, and you're done. That's how you can use the WordPress Pattern Library to build beautiful posts and pages quickly, with consistent